Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is teacher Ayesha Rizwan with you, and today I have a very interesting topic because a lot of the people were spending a lot of money on this thing. So they don't know that how we can convert a Word document to PDF file. Me, when I was a student, I do the same. I used to search the online websites where I can shift my Word document to PDF, and this is all scam. I will teach you how you can convert a Word document to a PDF file or even a format of image. So if you like the video, you have to subscribe and comment down, so I will make another amazing videos of these things. Okay, so I already started my computer and English classes. You can go and check in my playlist. The content is awesome. And now I'm going to start the computer or laptop things also, so you have to with me and support me. Anyways, so firstly, for example, you have a form this thing you want to change in PDF. So what you will do, you will simply, if you didn't open yet from the file button, you can just open your file. For example, let me open one thing for you. I will open from desktop. I already have some PDF files. So here I don't have any Word file now. So anyways, I have it already. You can open it from your side. This is the Word file. Now what you have to do, from the file you will put save as. Save as, and from the browser you will open the laptop storage. I'm going to put in the desktop and then save as type. In the save as type you have the options here. PDF, you can download it on PDF or XPS document, single file, web page, even plain text, Word, and means all the information, all the things are here. So you can just go with PDF. Okay, and then you have also here printing style you want or minimum size you want. So and other options we have here, so we can just choose that how many pages we want, one page or all pages you need. So you can just use these options as well. Then you will just press the save button, and then here you go, you will find the PDF format like that. So this is how you can convert your Word document, or I will also teach you how you can shift your PowerPoint presentation to PDF form or images form. So you have to comment down that you like my video. Then in the next video I will share you with another more amazing tricks and hack of these things. So you have to subscribe must. Bye.